Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team, making the watch list video for tomorrow, Tuesday, August 22nd. Happy Eclipse Day today for those of you that got to see it. I did not really see much of anything, plus I didn't have glasses, and the market was pretty dead this afternoon, so it's pretty crazy. Nothing really much going on. I'm up in the Northeast in Connecticut. Again, nothing much really happened here. So let's dive in and see what's happening for tomorrow. Let's start off over, let's see here, go up to scan. I'm doing stocks between $1 and $15 with a minimum 500,000 in volume, minimum gain of 5% on the day, and we have a potential for 29 plays. So let's go over and see what we've got. So again, we're looking for stocks that held their highs for the day, or ones that there might potentially maybe even be a short for tomorrow. So maybe if something doesn't hold its highs, but might be potentially shortable as well. Just kind of looking for potential plays. So ARCI hit a high of 163 today. Now you'll see the ARCI has a yearly high of 169. So first of all, you want to see if it's going to break 163. Then you want to see if it's going to go and break above 169 and go further, or if it's going to come down. So definitely keep an eye on this one. That one will be an interesting one to watch. Don't think, obviously, ThinkorSwim doesn't have shares to short, but I'm going to have to check. I'm not logged into Interactive Brokers right now. I'll have to check and see if they have potential shares available. So ARCI will go on the watch list. VERI, that one held its highs. Looks like it, let's see, right towards the end of the day, it hit $12. So tomorrow you're going to want to see if it breaks this high of day here of pretty much, what is this here? 1177 right at the end of the day. And see if it'll go up from there. So VERI will go on the watch list. SIGO, not a lot of volume. This one has been going up. It's interesting because this one might be due for a pullback. So it might, it's been kind of overextended here. See if it wants to, continue moving forward. I mean, I don't know what happened at this candle here, but I mean, it could potentially run up a little bit. You have some ways for it to go. So you want to see if it's going to break 225 from today. I wouldn't normally put, I don't like that there wasn't much volume, but I'll put it on the watch list just because, there might be, some movement either up or it might fall back down, and you'll see there's some good sized candlesticks, so it should do something one way or the other potentially. So SIGO. CHRS. Yeah, so this one held its highs, had some volume. See if it breaks 1380. Some potential resistance right around $15 area here, and then see where it goes up from there, if it goes into the gap or it continues up. So CHRS, RTNB, don't like that one. THC, looks like it, look at that, that went up and filled the gap, hit the 200 simple moving average, kind of bounced back down. So you want to see if it's going to get above these moving average lines. I'm not going to put it on the watch list, but if you do play it at all, just see if it's going to go up above. It's important to see if it gets above the 50 and 200 moving average. XCO, Let's check this one out. Not a lot of volume in a downtrend. Not really liking that one. CNIT. That one up today and just kind of pretty much came right back down. You'll see that big red doji candlestick. So, yeah, I'm not liking that one. SHIP. Let's see here. Well, you want to see if you can get above that 200 simple moving average, right around that 114 marker. There is, you know, a chance, you know, at some point it might want to go up into the gap over here, starting at, can't even tell what this is, right around 150-ish range, 150 to $2 range. So you want to see it, see if it can break 114, then break 150 and go into the gap. It's got quite a bit of overhead resistance right now. I'm not going to put it on there, but just keep it, you know, if it pops up, that's what you want to look at. I don't really do stocks over $15, so I'm not going to look at it. JRJC. So let's clear those drawings. High of the day, basically 272. Look at that, right above that 200 SMA. So basically you want to see if price is going to clear this 280 SMA marker or if it's going to fall back down to support area right around the 220-ish range. So kind of watch this, see if it goes and breaks the 200 SMA or if it comes back down to the support area of around the 220s. So this one, not a lot of volume, but I like it because it might actually do something. It's either going to go up and break it or come back down. So I'll put that on the watch list just because of that. CYH, don't like it. It's got to clear the moving averages. SND. So let me see here. Oh, yeah, that's right. 708's the 50. You want to see it get above this 569 marker. If it can get above 569, you might have a chance to go up to the 50 SMA. Kind of went up and kind of has traded sideways. Doesn't look the greatest, but I might put it on the watch list just, you know, because I don't know. Do I want to put it on the watch list? I don't love it. Yeah, I'm not going to put it on the watch list. SCMP. You want to see if price will cross above that 200 simple moving 200 simple moving average. These candlesticks are pretty crazy. Don't like it. ZN. Another one, not a lot of volume, some overhead resistance. Quite a bit of the moving averages. Don't like it. IMMU. So this is one where you're going to want to see tomorrow if it breaks 911. Could have a chance to go up to 950-ish range. And then after that, see if it breaks 950-ish or falls back down to support, you know, right in this 850-ish range, 860 range. So I will put IMMU on the watch list. XPLR. Let's see here. That's got a nice doji candle here. So you'll see, look at that, right at support. Resistance right at that 410 marker. So you want to see tomorrow if this is going to fall below this 340 marker, potentially down in the $3 or further range, or if it's going to go back up. This is one that's interesting to watch. Not holding its highs, but it should be doing something. It's either going to fall or go back up. Now, I put it on a watch list, even though you can't short it with ThinkorSwim, just because, you know, brokers like Interactive Brokers might have shares. Oops, what did I do? That's weird. XPLR. There we go. FCAU. Yep, that one held its highs. Has some volume. See if it can go up and break 13.57. You have some support really right at that right above this, right around the $13 range. You could even put it right at $13, right a little bit above it or below it. But yeah, you want to see if it's going to go up or fade back down from there. FCAU, that is shortable within ThinkorSwim. So that's one to take a look at potentially either way. BITCF, this is a Bitcoin stock. This thing's been having some volatility lately. It's closed right above the 13 EMA. So now you want to see if it can go up and break the 139 marker. And then just kind of just watch it from there. See if it's going to go up and break the $2 marker. So we'll put BITCF. I'm going to put that on my other watch list here. ARDX. Don't love it, but if it can break above this 510 marker, which is the 50 simple moving average, it could, potentially have some room to go up. Then you have some other resistance right around $6. So between $5.10 and $6, there might have some room to potentially go. Although there's not a lot of volume and the candlesticks are a little bit choppy, so I don't really love that. I don't know if I'm going to put that one on the watch list. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not going to put it on. DYN. Let's see here. This one held its highs, had a lot of volume. And so this one is interesting to watch. This is a higher float stock, right at the psychological resistance point at a whole dollar amount, close to $10. Kind of went up, pulled back down. 3 green days, so now you got to watch down here, see if it's going to go down to kind of the support area or if it's going to go up from there. So DYN I will put on the watch list. RUBI, don't like it. ZVZZT, absolutely don't like that whatsoever. And let's take a look at some of the ones that might not have as much volume, but it went on the yearly high scanner. So we'll take a look at over here, see if any popped up that we like. XPLR, I think that's on that one, yeah. Some of these ones that are in the yearly highs are also on the watch list, so just seeing if there's any that are different. RDNT, was that up here? So RDNT, it's got a lot of weird candlesticks going on there. You want to see if it can break yearly highs of 880. Not a big fan of that one. TRMR, was that on the one to look at before? Let me see, was this up here? So let me just clear these drawings here. So TRMR, you want to see if it's going to go up and break the yearly high of 308. If not, you have some support really right down. You can even put it, I mean, these are nice candlesticks here. Kind of that 270 range. You can kind of go and watch it from there. But this has had, 3 green days. It might go up, might have a pullback. It's at yearly highs. So this is one that I'll put on just for some potential volatility. You can't short it with ThinkorSwim, but you can with, I'm assuming you probably can with Interactive Brokers. Again, I'm not logged in yet, so TRMR. GLUU. Don't know if I looked at that one before. Was that one up here? So GLUU, yeah, I don't like the candlesticks on that one. but let me see here. That one might be one to keep an eye on. I might put that one on the watch list just to look at it. GLUU. And let's take a couple here. CPN, don't like it. Let's take a look at maybe a couple of the ones that are at the yearly lows, maybe for a potential dip buy. And that one really hit yearly lows there. Don't know if I love that one. NAP, still potentially falling. Let me see here. CRME. I'm going to put some of these on the watch list just because they're at a different extreme. You know, maybe potentially dip buy. Keep an eye on them. So we'll put CRME just to add some on from a different angle. So GLUU, you'll want to wait. That was on the watch list. CRME, you'll see that the base is at 231. You want to see if it's going to either fade or potentially go up from there. And you'll see it's at the top of that candlestick. Now, there could be lots of volatility when a stock turns around and starts to go back into a candlestick that's dropping like that. So be very careful if you do dip by it. NAP, again, this one right here, 655, right up there. Support and resistance. You want to see if it falls below 655 or if it turns and goes around. So we'll put NAP on there. Nice one to watch. Again, watch some of these ones that sell off to yearly lows. Eventually, they'll turn around at some point. WATT. Man, that one's definitely had quite a few red days. This 891 being the base. We'll put that right down over here. And then, so that's one maybe just to keep an eye on that's selling off. WATT. Again, I don't know if these are going to turn around right away, but, you know, at some point they potentially will. Don't like that one. LGCY. Yeah, no. FINL. Don't love it. EBIO. No. DNR. No. I like ones that are really like kind of sold off to potentially watch. Not ones that are just kind of progressively falling slow. NAT. No. EXPR. No, I think I'll just put a few of those on the watch list for now. So that's the watch list. Again, guys, if you're new or if you haven't liked our fan page yet, make sure you type in Bullish Bears on Facebook. Come down here and like and follow our page. This is where we try to be really interactive, you know, post our updates, as well as every morning by 9 a.m. we post the trade ideas pre-market watch list. So you want to coincide that with the watch list I'm making now, this video here, as well as I'll show you in the moment where to subscribe to our watch list daily if you haven't already. We also post the Benzinga news. Benzinga is pretty much one of the top sites that's out there for giving you the most up-to-date news. So you basically want to make sure, again, that you like and follow our fan page. If you can afford Trade Ideas, we absolutely recommend Trade Ideas as our scanner of choice. The link will be below in this video with, again, our promo code of Bullish Bears 15 in all capital letters to get a 15% discount. Also, too, if you want Benzinga, all you just got to do is click on Benzinga and enter Bullish Bears 25 in all lowercase letters at checkout. So we get you a 25% discount. We partner with we try to only partner with the best companies that are really out there, ones that are just trusted and reliable. We use both Benzinga and Trade Ideas, and we love them. They're great tools, again, but they're only really great once you can afford them and that you're ready to utilize them. So, again, whenever you are able to afford them and you want to try them out, just make sure you pick them up from us. and use our affiliate links with our discount codes that we offer for community discounts. If you haven't been over to our website yet, go over to bullishbears.com. Make sure that you've subscribed to our nightly watch list here, as well as, we do send out trade ideas options plays at the end of the night, too. So whatever's running, we throw in for options traders that want to look at our options plays. We post those as well. So again, you want to make sure you subscribe to our watch list. If you haven't joined our trade room yet, you can join our trade room over here. We do have some personal coaching available too, so if you need some one-on-one trading, feel free to fill out the form over here, and we'll have either Tim, Dan, or myself reach out to you. We have some awesome courses. We have, basically a couple $1,000s worth of trading courses for free over here that we offer to our community. If you want to learn, make sure you come over here and take our courses. As well as, we have some great merchandise, a whole merchandise store here. If you like our logo, our Hope is Real merchandise, you can come over here to merchandise. And we are a contribution-based community. So basically everything that we're offering to our community, all of our videos, all of our trainings, our trade room, again, you'll have a couple $1,000s worth of courses. Our trade room, trade rooms cost at least $150 a month, many times elsewhere with other trading companies, and we're offering ours for free to our community. And all we just really ask for in return is just for everyone to just really contribute. We are a contribution-based community, so again, we aren't charging our members for what we offer, and we ideally want to keep it that way. So in order for us to stay contribution-based and not be like everybody else and charge $150 or $200 a month for memberships, we ideally want to keep everything for free. So in order for Tim, Dan, and myself to be able to do that, we do need to survive on the contributions monthly of each community member. So as you can see here, we have monthly contributions as low as $10 to $25 a month to make it really affordable for anybody. And we also do have single-time donations available, options available as well. And pretty much last but not least, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share them, and feel free to comment on them with any questions or comments that you have. We're very interactive. We try to get back to our community as quickly as possible. So again, we provide everything as best as we can to really help each other out, help our community out. And if you'd like to contribute to us, we would greatly appreciate it. So hopefully this video helped you, and happy trading tomorrow. Enjoy.